Hello guys, welcome to your crochet guide. Today we're going to learn how to crochet this cute mini heart. So to get started you need your yarn and your hook and a darning needle and your scissors. Now of course the hook size and the yarn size depends on how big or small you want your heart to be. So the smaller the hook, the smaller the heart, and the bigger the hook or the yarn, the bigger the heart's going to be. So we're going to need the scissors and the darning needle at the end when removing the ends of the heart. So to start we need to do a magic ring. So you just put the tail over your two fingers, then you grab your working yarn and you cross it over to make this X. Then from the back you hold it with your pinky. Now you have this cross here, and then at the back you have these two lines. So you grab your hook facing under or backwards, and you go under the first line and then over the second line. And you can grab that second line and you pull out, and as you're pulling up you twist your hands in the hook so that it's now facing upwards, and then you do a yarn over and you go through this loop that we made by twisting, and then you have your magic ring. I'm just going to tighten it a bit. Now the pattern is basically 3 treble crochets and 3 double crochets, and then just repeat that all over again. So the first thing we need to do is 3 US treble crochets. So we are going to yarn over twice, go into the magic ring, and then yarn over, pull out of the magic ring so that you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2. That's 1 treble crochet. We're just going to do that 2 more times. So yarn over twice, go into the magic ring, yarn over, pull out, you have 4 loops, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 2 treble crochets, and then for the last one you're going to yarn over twice, go into the magic ring, yarn over, pull out, you have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2. Now we need to do 3 double crochets, US double crochets. So you're gonna yarn over once, go into the magic ring, then yarn over, pull out of the magic ring. You have 3 loops on your hook, so yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2. So we're gonna do that 2 more times. So yarn over, go into the magic ring, yarn over, pull out of the magic ring, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2. Now the last one, yarn over, go into magic ring, yarn over, pull out, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You can kind of see that this is the first half of the heart. So to go into the next half, you have to chain 1, like that. And then we're going to do 3 double crochets. So we're going backwards and doing the other half. So 3 double crochets, yarn over, go into the magic ring, yarn over, pull out, you have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat that 2 more times. So yarn over, go into the magic ring, yarn over, pull out, you have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 1 left to do. So yarn over, go into the magic ring, yarn over, pull out, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Now that's 3 double crochets. So now we need to do the 3 treble crochets. So yarn over twice, go into the magic ring, yarn over, pull out of the magic ring. Now you have 4 loops, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2. Then repeat that 2 more times. So yarn over twice, go into the magic ring, yarn over, pull out 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through the last 2. Now for the last one, yarn over twice, go into the magic ring, yarn over, pull out of the magic ring, have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2. Now it's not really curved from here. We need it to have a curve like in the heart, like on this side. So to do that, we're going to slip knot into the magic ring. So you're just going to put your hook into the magic ring without yarning over anything. You just put it, and then yarn over, and then pull out, and go through this loop right away. That's a slip knot. Now we grab the tail and pull as hard as we can. I'm just going to leave the hook for now. And pull on the tail as hard as I can to close the magic ring. Now I'm done with closing the magic ring. So this is the loop where my hook is. I'm just going to widen it about this much. And then I'm going to grab my scissors. I'm going to cut here like that. And then pull the working yarn out. And tighten this knot. And tighten the magic ring a bit more too. And now for the sewing part. We have to grab our darning needle. And I'm going to sew the tail first. So you grab the tail, you put it through the needle. You can kind of see it like a circle here. So this is where I'm going to be going. So I go through the first like couple stitches, and then I pull out. And then I skip like this stitch. And then I go into the next one. And then I pull out. And then I go through these two, for example. And I just cut the tail at the end. And by the way, don't throw out this scrap yarn because there's quite a lot of projects that you can use this for. Now you grab your darning needle again, and you put this, the leftover of the working yarn through it, and then you go through the back. I just like to go through the middle, the magic ring here so that I can sew at the back. And then I go through this circle again. And I can also go through these stitches here. And then I cut this tail off. And that's it. That's your little mini heart. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.